I think we need to do work on all aspects that we can. I think energy efficiency is a big part of the solution, but next to energy efficiency we also need to work on renewable energy and on direct energy savings. But energy efficiency is generally the cheapest and the most efficient way that we can achieve emission reductions.
When you improve a building and make it more energy efficient, it will also create jobs in the building industry. We have some calculations showing that if you really do a good job on energy renovation in Europe, up to 500,000 jobs can be created amongst construction workers and in the building industry.
Northern parts, where we mainly focus on cooling, but also a growing cooling need in our cities, and where we have more tradition for working with energy efficiency. We have more tradition for labeling appliances, labeling buildings, or making building codes. But we still have very large potentials in every developed coal country in the world.